What's up, Pyros? First little stash for the new year and 2021. So this was a pickup that Texas 5 did. Got a pallet of stuff right there for the rest of the guys. I just got 4 cases for this time, but we're gonna order from almost everybody. So we got a Nashiki. This look good. Don't mess with me. Comes 4 to a case. Little 2-inch. They look fun to do. Got Alamo, comes 2 to a case, 24 shot. Uh-oh. Pyro Nation. Give that guy a shout out, pretty cool dude. Perfect. Score. I like that one. That's pretty cool. All y'all know Pyro Nation. If you don't, I guess you're not a pyro guy. So that's the pickup that I just did. Here's made some fireballs this year. Got a bunch of racks. 3-inch racks. More fireball. More 3-inch. Cobra. What's up, West Texas? Oh, got them on there too. This is what's left over. Got Beast, Hit the Road Jack, Marine Life, Man Cave. There's a Vegas Lights back there. Boom. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah. Got a whole bunch of good stuff down through here. Got a bunch of shells. Got a bunch of these guys still. Got some ball shells, Nashikis. See what's back there. There you got some good stuff. Make America great again. Y'all, I hope Trump gets back in office. I ain't gonna talk about politics, but you definitely want Trump back in office. Evil clown. So got a whole bunch of stuff. Got some full cases down here. Fuses. This is just what's left over. Got some stuff over here. Got some go-getters from 76. Red go-getter mind. Got a couple cases of stuff in there. So, got to clean this up and get room for new stuff. Commander-in-Chief. Still got some big boys here. Got some heavy hitter shells there. King of Kings. Some growlers. Excalibur Platinums. So, well, that's about it, y'all. Just wanted to show you the new stash that we got. That's sitting out there. And there'll be more to come. Pyro out. Texas.